Hi, my name is Mark and we're going to be looking at how to start a home business. Starting a business from home, working from home, is quite a step. Obviously with today's market, things are changing and more people are now looking for their own resources to make an income, as there are fewer and fewer jobs outside in the commercial world. So one thing you really need to think about is, what is it you can do? What have you got experience in, or an interest in, or a passion for? If you can find those things, that's a good starting point. Of course, then you have to think about what it is you're going to do in that specific field. Are you going to be a consultant? Are you going to be somebody that actually goes and supplies a service? Or are you going to be selling something? Are you going to be an agent? You need to think about what tools you require for that particular job. Maybe a computer, maybe the internet. Maybe you need a telephone line, mobile phone. Maybe you need a vehicle. Maybe you need somewhere to store and stock your products. You need to consider all of these aspects, obviously, and the cost of the setup, because obviously you're going to need to start up a business under your own name, a registered name. You're going to need a bank account. You're going to need stationery and supplies. So you need to do a costing allocation of what it is that you're going to do and how much is going to be involved. And of course, then you need to calculate the potential gain that you can make. You might find that actually working for yourself is actually very efficient, because it's just you as a cost, and you might be able to make more money doing it for yourself than working for a company. So this could be good news. You would also have to become many things, such as a bookkeeper. You'll need to keep books. You need to be aware of the tax situation. You'll need to know such things as planning, time management, and of course you need to know about for example, if you hold stock, your stock levels and inventory planning. So you need to be aware of a lot of things, and you'll have to be responsible for all of these things. So please take that into consideration. But again, as I said, on a positive note, it might be that actually your time is much highly sought after, and it's much more rewarding than working for somebody. Whatever business you're going into, you should do some market research, heavily about the competition, the usage, the habits of whatever it is you're going to sell. So you need to do maybe some local market knowledge if you're going to be working locally, national, regional, whatever. So really do some key research into the demands and requirements of what it is you're offering. And planning, of course, you need to plan your time as well. When talking about planning, of course, one of the most fundamental issues you need to do once you've done your research is a business plan. Once you've focused on your product or service, and of course who you're going to be offering this product or service to, you really need to get together a business plan which will give you a clear structure and direction with which you need to follow in terms of operating effectively. So this is something you must do.